Hey guys, welcome back for another Java tutorial, and in this one we're going to be discussing arrays. And what an array is a collection of variables or data types or even objects such as like a dog in one location. So we're going to go over one example of each of those, but first I'm going to start with integer ones because that's the simplest array you can make. So how you would do it is you write int with the brackets, like it's just the square brackets. It's the same keys as these curly braces, except you don't hit the shift button. And then after that, you just type a name, kind of like a variable name. I'm just going to go ahead and name it ARR. And then an equal sign. And then new integer bracket. And this is going to say it's incorrect because inside the second brace, you have to put the maximum number of elements that this array can hold. Like if I put a 5 there, it would go away because this is saying it should hold 5 elements. But this is actually 6 elements because you have to remember that your computer starts counting at 0. So it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, it'd go up to 5, but it's really 6 elements. And then that's how you create an array. So now you've allotted memory in your computer to store this array. But to actually put values into each index on that array, you would have to go, you'd type the array name, the brackets, and then the index value, well, the index number, and then, you know, assign them. And just keep going down. So you could keep going until you reach 5. Or another way to initialize arrays is instead of putting this number here, you can just leave it blank. Or like leave it an integer array like that. And so instead of typing it up like this, I'll type both of them so you guys can see. Instead of typing it like this first one, where you're saying this can hold 5 elements, and then you'll have to you know, like assign them. This is what this one down here is what they call an initializer list, which is you type the same exact thing on the left side. But the right side, you start with a curly brace, and inside the curly brace, you list off all the elements of the array. And then you end with a curly brace and a semicolon. So this is a quicker way to initialize your data into an array. So I'm going to use that one for this tutorial for now. So that's how you use an integer array. But to get information out of an array, you have to use the index number. So let's say you wanted to get this number 25 out, you'd have to say, like let's say you wanted to multiply 25 times like a number. So you would just take like, let's put an integer variable, call it num, and you call it equal to 5. You can type num multiplied by array index 0. And this right here, this array index 0, is equivalent to 25. Or if you change, you know, the index number, like let's say you change the index to 3, this number here would be equal to 2 now. So that's how you get information out of the arrays. You have to use the index number to pull them out. And so that's an array of integers. And you can do an array of strings, which is the same thing, except you type string and the blocks, and we'll call this one string r. And we'll make it equal to, we'll make this one equal to Matt is, wow, I keep hitting the wrong arrow keys. Awesome. And then just end that off. So same thing with the integers, except you're using strings. So that's, you know, if you wanted to get the name out, you know, if you wanted to get is, like the word is, it would be string r and then index 1. So that's a way to do it with strings. And another way you could use arrays is to make arrays of objects. Like, strings are objects, but you can make them of your own, like, classes too. So let's make some dogs here. We'll call it dog1 equals new dog. And let's bring back a Spot. And then we'll make dog2. We'll bring back Spike. And now you can make a new dog array by writing dog with the brackets, and we'll call it dog r, and then we'll make it equal to dog1, dog2, and just like you used it for strings and integers, it's the same thing. You're just changing the information in it. So I just wanted to show you that that's a possibility that you can use it for. You can really make a collection of anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and in the next one we'll be going into more depth about parameters and how to use them in methods. So subscribe and watch out for when that comes out, because I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to have that out. But anyway, I'm rambling, so thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.